Hello everyone, it's Mermaid Molly Flora, and I have something to unbox with you today. This is my new Ariel wig. I commissioned her from the Winged Spindle, which is a fellow Canadian. It's always lovely when I can support Canadians. Alright, I've cut it all open and let's open it up. I'm so excited for this. I've been waiting for a good while. It has a letter at the top. It says Molly with some bubbles. Alright, I'm gonna see what it says. I'm very excited. This is the first new wig I have commissioned. There's stickers in it! There's an Ariel sticker and another, with her winter outfit. That's adorable. I know where those are going. Those are going on my laptop. And there's a card in here too that says thank you from the Winged Spindle. Thank you so much for supporting me and my small business. It was an absolute joy styling this wig for you, and I hope you love her. All right, let's open up the wig. I am so excited for this. She's packed in here real good. All right. I cannot wait to put her on. Can you tell with my makeup? I do have an Ariel gig later today, so I love the swoop. Look at the swoop. This is why I got it styled instead of trying to do one myself, because I don't know how to do this. Oh, I love her so much already. All right, let me go prep my hair and then we are going to put her on. All right, now that we've been eggified and we are in the right outfit, let's try her on. I'm so beyond excited for this. All right. You gotta carefully extract her. All right. Okay. Oh, look at that. There's a little label on the inside. That's adorable. Okay. Little clips on the inside. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love her so much. The swoop is just perfect here. I absolutely love this swoop. And I like how it's not too big out either, so it won't cause shadows on my face. And little ringlets, they're adorable, aren't they? Part of that world. Thank you so much. I can't wait to wear her everywhere and to all sorts of gigs and everything. She is stunning.